Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete a workspace in Notion. So when you're on your home page in Notion, you want to click on your space at the top. Click the down arrow, then click on Settings. From there, you're going to scroll down. On the left, you should see a tab that says General. We're going to click on General. Then from there, we're going to scroll down. And right at the bottom, you should see a section that says Danger Zone. And this is where you can delete your workspace. It's important to note that if you delete this workspace, it is a permanent delete, so you won't be able to get your data back. If that's what you want to do, just click on Delete Workspace and it will be deleted. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.